Assalamu alaikum students. Have a nice day. Okay, we start the third lesson of Noorani Qaida. In first two lesson, we read first 7 letters of Noorani Qaida, and now we read the 8th letter. And one thing more, we should have to read Tawuz and Tasmiyah. Tawuz mean A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim, and Tasmiyah mean Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, now we start from 8th letter, that is Daal, 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 Daal. Daal shape is English letter C type. You know the English letter C? Daal is just like a English letter C, but the position of Daal is changed. It is opposite to C. Okay, and the next one is Zaal, 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 Zaal. Zaal is same in shape with Daal but having one dot at top. Okay, Zaal is same like a Daal but having one dot at top. We differentiate Daal and Zaal by dots. And the next letter is Ra, 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 Ra. Ra is spoon-like shape. Just look at the letter and see its shape is spoon-like. Okay, spoon by which we eat are made. And the next and the last one is Za, 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 Za. Za having also same shape like Ra, but the difference of dot. Za having one dot and Ra having no dot. Okay, these 4 letters are enough for today. Once again read Daal, 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 Zaal, 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 Ra, 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 Za, Za, Za. Okay student, enough for today. You must have to read your lesson every day. In this way, you remember it easily. Okay, enough for today. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care. If you want to join our Quran Masters Academy, contact at given WhatsApp